said, I will move onward from 42. Let me start with the 42 number. So 42 gives, this says x is equal to 3 plus 2 root 2. Okay, then you have to find root x minus 1 by root x. Okay, so this is already a surd. The square root of that must be a surd. But thing is that if I want to calculate this, we have to try it to bring this in the form of square of something. So let me try. So I have to consider on this part 2 into 1 into root 2. So if I square up root 2 square, then means 2 and 1, it will give you. So I can easily be able to make it square of some surd again. So this will give you root 2 plus 1 whole square. So if I take the square root of x, then it will be root 2 plus 1, and the inverse of that is always the conjugate. So accordingly you have to see the number which is higher, then the opposite will be there, the negative side in between. So the root 2 is higher than 1, then the opposite, that reciprocal of that would be the conjugate. So that is now it will be very easy if I take the subtraction from. So this will give you root 2 plus 1 minus root 2 plus 1. So root 2 will be cancelled out, 2. So your answer will be 2. Okay. So this is your answer. Moving to 43. It says if a is equal to 1 upon 7 by 7 plus 4 root 3 and b is equal to 1 upon 7 minus 4 root 3, then find b plus 1. Okay, so now it is a bit what we can say, this whole process will be very lengthy. Means if I put the value of a and want to get the thing done, then it will be lengthy one. So what you have to do, let me check if I can bring it down to a simpler form. How can I do that? If I do 1 minus something minus 1, so 1 minus, so a plus b minus 1a, and the same thing 1 minus the b plus b, a plus b. Not, it won't give you any much respect. Rather I put it, okay, let me put it like that, plus 1 by 7 minus 4 root 3 plus 1. So let me calculate it. So it will give you 8 plus 4 root 3. Here you are getting 8 minus 4 root 3. So I don't think it's very much tougher. So I will do the I will free the surd here. So 4 square, that means is equal to 16 into 3. 16 into 3, it will give you 48. So this will be higher. This is 64. Now this will be higher. So the conjugate will be 4 root 3, and here 64 minus 4 4 is 16. 16 into 3. Yes, 48. The same thing will be repeated here on the other term. So it will only be reversed. The sign will only be reversed here, and the remaining it will be same, 64 minus 48. Okay, now continuing this, I will get the denominator is same. So whatever will be the result, 64 minus 48 means 16 again. So this is 16 again. So the thing will be added directly. Minus 4 root 3 plus 8 plus 4 root 3. So it gives this will be cancelled out. 16 by 16 is equal to 1. So you need not to think in this case. You have to put the value. It will be easy to calculate. Okay. Moving to 44. moving to 44, y is equal to root 3 by 2. Then find the value of 1 plus y by 1 plus y square root plus the same, the minus sign only in between, 1 plus this one. This is very lengthy, but I don't think it's very tough to. So what I will do, I will calculate 1 plus y first. So it will give me 1 plus root 3 by 2. This will be half. If I take out, it will be 2 plus root 3. Now what I do, I will further multiply with 2 on numerator and denominator. It will give you 4 plus 2 root 3. Why I am doing? I want to bring this as a square of some number, because 4 is automatically a perfect square. So this can be eliminated if I brought it inside a square root of something. So only thing challenge is here. So 2 into root 3 into 1. So that is equal to root 3 square plus 1 square. So it can be done. So root 3 plus 1 whole square by 4. Okay, this one. So if I take the square of this, so this will square root of this. So this will give you root 3 plus 1 by 2. So keep it in mind. So if I do the reverse, 1 minus, so only changes will be there in the negative sign in between. Okay. Yes, root 3 minus 1 by 2. It will be, if you do that, you can do it at home. It will definitely get this number. So I can find this number now, putting these values in. So let me write it there. So what I have find, plus 1 by 2. So these are the values. Now put these values here. So what we will get, 1 plus, so this means is equal to root 3 plus 1 by 2. 1 plus root 3 plus 1 by 2 plus root 3 minus 1 by 2, 1 plus root 3 minus 1 by 2. So if I eliminate all 2's here, so finally I will get root 3 plus 1 here, and the value after calculating, it will be 3 plus root 3. Okay, now plus here I will get root 3 minus 1, and it will give you 2 minus 1, 1 plus root 3 here. Okay, now how to do that? Now if I assume I am taking root 3 out of it, so it will give you the same form. So root 3 I will take it out from here, so it will give you root 3 plus 1, and it will become root 3 plus 1. Okay, plus root 3 minus 1, it will be root 3 minus 1. Okay, root 3 plus 1, sorry. So you can see root 3 can be adjusted here, so it will be root 3 on top, and the total thing can be written as a denominator, as a LCM, it will be root 3 plus 1. So this will give you plus root 3 minus 1. Okay, so now 1 and 1 will be cancelled out. If I take it there, so it will be root 3 plus 1 by root 3 on the numerator, and root 3 plus 1 on the denominator. Now further calculating, it will be 3 plus 1, root 3 plus 1 root 1, and root 3 will be multiplied here, then it will be 3 plus root 3. So all total 4 by 3 plus root 3 will be your answer, final answer. Okay, so moving to 45. Before than that, I will take a break and I will come to the next class to continue from 45. Thank you for now.